In this video, we're going to learn how to find the domain and range of a function just by looking at its graph. Here we drew a simple curve, a parabola from x equals -2 to x equals 3. The domain of a function is all the x values the graph covers, how far it stretches from left to right. The range is all the y values the graph reaches from bottom to top. Let's start with the domain. Look at the x values. This graph starts at x equals -2 and ends at x equals 3. So we write the domain as -2 to 3. If the dots at the end are filled in, as shown, it means those x values are included in the domain. But if the graph has open circles, like this, then when writing the domain, we use parentheses instead of brackets to show that we don't include those endpoints in our domain. Now, let's find the range. That's the set of y values for how low to high the graph goes. So our range for this parabola would be in brackets, -1, 2. Same rules apply. Use brackets if the point is filled in and parentheses if not. Now, if we were to add an arrow to one of our endpoints, the graph keeps going, like with the arrow just drawn, we would use infinity. So now, after updating our parabola, the domain would now be -2, infinity, and our range would be -1, infinity. But remember, we never use brackets with infinity or negative infinity, always parentheses. That's how you find domain and range by reading a graph. In the next video, we'll talk about how to combine functions, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing them.